Due to technological innovations and the introduction of new industries and technologies, this period saw the beginning of mass production of synthetic fibers and household electric appliances such as televisions, refrigerators, and washing machines. As a result, the everyday lives of the residents of Tokyo underwent considerable transformation. In 1962, the population of Tokyo broke the 10 million mark. In 1964, the Olympic Games were held in Tokyo. The bullet train line began operations, and the Metropolitan Expressway was opened, forming the foundation for Tokyo's current prosperity. Entering the 1970s, the strain of rapid economic growth became apparent as the country was beset by environmental issues such as pollution of the air and rivers, as well as high levels of noise. The oil crisis of 1973 brought the many years of rapid economic growth to a halt. In the 1980s, Tokyo took large steps in economic growth as a result of its increasingly global economic activity and the emergence of the information society. Tokyo became one of the world's most active major cities, boasting attractions such as cutting-edge technology, information, culture, and fashion, and as well as a high level of public safety. From 1986 onwards, land and stock prices spiraled upwards, a phenomenon known as the bubble economy. Japan enjoyed tremendous growth under the bubble economy, but with the burst of the bubble at the beginning of the 1990s, sinking tax revenues caused by the protracted economic slump led to a critical state in metropolitan finances. Tokyo was, however, able to overcome this financial crisis through two successive fiscal reconstruction programs. The population also started returning to Tokyo, and in 1997, in-migration exceeded out-migration for the first time in 12 years. In 2001, Tokyo's population reached 12 million and surpassed 13 million in 2010. In March 2011, the Great East Japan Earthquake struck the Tohoku region, and Tokyo was also seriously affected. Using the experiences gained from this disaster, Tokyo is devoting efforts to further strengthening its crisis management system. In September 2013, Tokyo was selected to host its second Olympic and Paralympic Games in 2020. To make the 2020 Games the best ever and leave valuable legacies for the future, the Tokyo Metropolitan Government is working to advance both tangible and intangible initiatives including infrastructure upgrades, measures for the environment, and the promotion of culture. Tokyo's population is projected to start declining once it reaches its peak in 2020. Also taking into consideration changes to the structure of society such as the graying of the population, the Tokyo Metropolitan Government is pushing toward its goal of becoming the world's best city where a balance between economic affluence and the quality of life is achieved and anyone can fully enjoy life. Hope you just enjoyed the video and documentary. Like and subscribe the channel and we will keep update to you.